Hi lovely people, today we are on day 21 and we're having chicken ham and leek pie with gravy, and we're doing some peas with some broad beans as well and some mashed potatoes. So guys, I've just boiled these broad beans that my daughter potted earlier, and some frozen green peas as well that we're going to serve alongside the pie. There's gravy going on, good old Bisto gravy. Mix it all up. Chicken ham and leek pie is done.
It's hot.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe for more. Tomorrow I'm hoping to make some chickpea burgers. So I've got some back and I also have some dried chickpeas. So I'm going to soak them overnight so for tomorrow I can make them into burgers.